If you're an Etsy print-on-demand seller or an Etsy seller in general, they just launched an awesome new update that will really help sellers coming into the fall season. I'm excited to tell you all about it. So we all know that Etsy has been making a lot of changes to the platform. Etsy basically saw this huge rise in traffic over COVID. And since COVID, it's kind of been a little bit tricky for them to maintain the type of volume because everybody's become really comfortable shopping online. And that just means it's really competitive in this space. People are wanting to open their own Etsy shop, but they're also wanting to sell directly so there aren't fees. And so it does just get really competitive in the e-commerce space. And so as companies do, they're constantly looking to make additional dollars and make additional changes to the platform that will allow for them to make more money. And they just announced 2 weeks ago that they are launching a beta program for shoppers. And so that program is called Etsy Insider, and it has a lot of really cool benefits that I think will benefit us as sellers as well, even though it's not something that we have to pay for. So what is Etsy Insider? So as most of us know, we have our Nordstrom account, or we have our Target account, or we have whatever, and we have a loyalty membership to these companies where we can earn points and get different benefits and do all those different types of things. Well, Etsy doesn't have anything like that, but what they are launching as a beta program is going to be a loyalty program of sorts, where they're going to invite particular sellers to come in to be a part of this program where they can pay a monthly fee or a yearly fee to basically get different benefits. And in those benefits that they list are things like free US domestic shipping on millions of items, a birthday bonus, limited edition annual gift designed by an Etsy seller, first access to special discounts and select merchandise, and double impact with Donate the Change. So these are all really, really cool options that they are going to be allowing in this program. We're not sure exactly quite yet on what that fee looks like on a monthly or a yearly basis, but I think as a seller, this is encouraging and this is exciting because it's completely free for me as a seller that this is rolling out. And it will allow for a bigger incentives for people to continue to shop with Etsy. So the biggest one here that I think will have the biggest impact for us is going to be free US domestic shipping on millions of items. This is something that Etsy has come out and said that they will be funding. So it's not like as a seller, I'm gonna have to offer free shipping. If a member of Etsy Insider ends up purchasing our products and we don't offer free shipping, we will still end up getting the shipping fee that we charge, and Etsy would cover that because they are a member of this exclusive program and there are additional funds being processed from them. So this should make it easier for folks to choose to shop from Etsy or buy from our shops, especially if our products are included in this. I'm not sure if there are going to be any exclusions for our types of products or different types of products and what exactly would be free. But it's awesome to see that it's just another way to encourage folks to stay on the platform and to continue to come back and shop with Etsy. A couple other things in here that are exciting is it sounds like they're offering a birthday bonus. And if you are a shopper like me, typically it's a get 10% off on your birthday or something like that, which is always another good incentive for folks to shop. So again, that would just benefit Etsy sellers because we would not need to actually cover any of that. It would just increase the likelihood of folks converting and purchasing because they're gonna get a discount that's covered with their loyalty membership. And I think similarly, there's a bucket here called first access to special discounts and select merchandise. But I wouldn't be surprised if Etsy was going to encourage for us to offer deeper discounts for folks in this membership loyalty program, especially if that means that we are going to have bigger cart size and they will be funding a percentage of it. And they did say with this that this is a beta program. So that typically says to me that they're kind of giving this the first run and seeing what sticks, how profitable will it be, how many people are receptive, do people end up liking this experience? I could definitely see long-term them rolling out something more similar to Target points or Nordstrom points where you shop and you get additional points and you get additional bonuses tied to that, even in like a free model or like bonus days and those types of things, just to encourage people to come back to the platform and shop small. And for folks that are really invested in supporting the local economy and shopping small, like Etsy has made a lot of strides towards ensuring that it is still humans. Like, yes, I may have a print on demand shop, but it is still me, one person that is doing these designs and operating this shop and is benefiting ultimately from the profit. So I think that appeals to a lot of people and might have a really cool impact for the platform and for customers and for sellers if this program kind of takes off. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below, what you think about this, if this is something that you would actually sign up for, given that it's supporting small businesses. I would love to hear all of your thoughts. And if content regarding print on demand, Etsy print on demand, Shopify print on demand, scaling a business, anything like that is valuable to you, please like and subscribe for more content like this.